Building is a structure which provides us living space, shelter, and a place to rest. It also aims to give shelter along with the security. The visible structural part of the building above the foundation and below the floor level is known as a plinth. The plinth is made of a specified height above the ground. It also raises the height of floor level from the ground level. Also prevents the entry of groundwater in the house or in a building. Steel bars used for plinth beam recommends to provide 2 bars with a minimum diameter of 12 mm at the bottom of the beam and 2 bars with a minimum diameter of 10 mm at the top of the plinth beam. Doors are opening in the walls flush with the floor level for the entry and exit in the building or different rooms of the building. The height and the width of the doors are designed for convenient use. With suitable shutters, doors are also used as barriers for entry and exit. The body of any door is essentially made of 3 main parts: the stiles, rails, and panels. Windows are suitable size openings in the walls at a suitable height from the floor. Their function is to maintain air ventilation to keep the interior atmosphere of the building fresh. Here are some of the criteria that you should follow for selecting a particular place for a window: the location of the room, size of the room, direction of the wind, climatic condition, utility of the room, and architectural point of view. And here is the anatomy of a window. Here is the head, rail, the sash, the grills, the stool, the apron, frame, glass panels, sash lock, casing, leaf, and the steel. While window shades are simply a slab projections at the side and the top of the windows to restrict any entry of rain or direct sunlight in the building. A building floor is a smooth, clean, and hard leveled surface under the walls. It supports the occupants' furniture and is used as a convenient movement area in the building. Components of floor are base and top. Base, generally of waterproof cement concrete, while top of desired material, mud, brick, cement, sand mortar, or stone slab, and others. Walls are the part of building structure between the floor and the roof. It may be fabricated out of a mud. Clay is used to fabricate mud walls, a stone blocks, a dried mud blocks, or reinforced brick walls. The type of walls are the outer walls and the inner walls or partition walls. And here is the anatomy of a wall. Stairs and staircase. Stairs are stepped inclined plane which provide the facility to move between the different floors of a building. The cell or room which encloses the stairs is called the staircase. Stairs also provided a convenience to access the floors, roof, and walking surfaces which are not accessible by any other means. With the importance and help with having a stair, it can also be a fanciful physical construction in a building or in any building or house. Ventilators are a small openings or windows placed higher up in the wall near the roof level. They help to expel the hot, stale air of the room to outside. And here are the 2 types of ventilation systems. First, the natural, as you can see, and the mechanical ventilation system. Parapet is the low protecting wall along the edge of the roof of the building. If parapet walls are not provided, the wind forces would act on the edges of the building. The parapet walls prevents that from happening as it reduces the pressure difference at the edges of the building. And here is the anatomy of the parapet walls and how it prevents the pressure difference at the edges of the building.